To get started, you will need to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you have logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Settings button, which is located all the way at the bottom. When the Settings page loads, you will see a list of options on the left. Go ahead and click on Users and Permissions. This is where you manage all the staff accounts and collaborators who can access your store. Now that you are in the Users and Permissions section, scroll down the page until you see the section labeled Collaborators. This is different from the Staff section at the top. The Collaborators area is specifically for Shopify partners who have sent a request to access your store to help with design, development, or marketing tasks. If you have a pending request, you will see it listed right here with a yellow banner that says Request Pending. To accept the request, simply look at the specific partner's name and details in the pending section. You will see two buttons on the right side of their request. Click the button that says Review Request. A new window will pop up showing you exactly what permissions the collaborator is asking for, such as modifying products, editing themes, or viewing financial data. You absolutely must read through these permissions carefully to make sure you are only giving them access to the parts of your store they need to do their job. You should never grant full access unless it is completely necessary. Once you have reviewed the permissions and you are satisfied, you can finalize the action. Click the green Accept button at the bottom of the pop-up window. The system will process the approval immediately, and the collaborator status will change from pending to active. That partner can now log into their own partner dashboard and access your store based on the permissions you just approved. You can always come back to this exact spot in your settings to change their permissions or remove their access entirely at any time.